What is up, guys? I am in Minnesota, obviously, and it's cold. It's 18 degrees, but with the wind chill, it feels like it's cold as hell. But anyways, purpose of this video is I'm gonna go do a touchless car wash with my ditch lights. Let's take a look. Didn't even look like it touched it. Ditch light's not moving, that was me. Alright guys, so far it survived, so you know, guess you can take it through these, so don't be too worried. Alright guys, like and subscribe. I'll check you guys out later. Take it easy.